Traders hello and welcome back. Scott Andrews here with another episode of Scotty's Trading. So I do plan on making another update video later in the evening after the New York session begins, so around 10 o'clock at night. Also, the podcast will be out with Mr. Connor Murphy and myself, and that's probably going to be out probably 8 o'clock or so. I'll be filming that, so around 8:30. Should be uploaded maybe about 9 o'clock. So it's going to be a pretty jam-packed day. I'm just going to adjust that. Sorry about that. I've been doing some back testing on the side as well with a 1 hour time frame method as well for breakouts and reversals. So it's different to this what I'm doing currently with, which is more of a trend trading system. So more trades. It's been going okay. So pardon me. All right. So AUDCAD. Well. Nothing exciting here, and as you can see, it's sort of tried but failed for a trend continuation. So I'm not particularly interested in this. I didn't really want this because I knew there were a couple of wicks there that had tested the highs and rejected it. So I wanted to wait to see what this did. Wasn't really happy with this and let it go. And sometimes it doesn't work like that. Sometimes when price action looks bad, price will just continue on, but you just enter what you practice, and that's what I practice with the backtesting software that I use. Link in the description section if you want to learn more about that. Let's get the Aussie dollar up. This is actually really sort of petered down a bit. I'm going to sneeze while pardon me. All right, so Aussie, US dollar, no trade. Aussie CAD, no trade. I've been watching, if you follow the videos, I appreciate that. We're nearly 250 subscribers, but, there's, especially for trend trading and what I do, it's pretty picky. So it's more conservative style trading. I am working on some more aggressive setups when that comes to, it doesn't necessarily have to be such a strong trend. But, I'm working back testing on that currently, and then I'll probably open up a small live account. Maybe next month. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. And your US dollar, a gentleman mentioned this in, I think I put a post up on LinkedIn. I appreciate that. I don't think he watches the videos, but if he does, thank you. And I agree, like there's the fundamental stuff coming out, and that's reflected in the price action there because it's really hasn't been particularly decisive, been particularly choppy on the 4 hour. It's very indecisive with the moves, a lot of neutral candles. So this is sort of range bound a little bit, and I'll be passing on this probably as well. So there's going to be no trades that I can see really that's coming out. I mean, the pound bounced right there. Isn't enough for me to take a trade though. I have other methods that I'm working on that might be, but currently as we stand, live account, I'm going to let that go. And let's see how the yen's looking. Pretty choppy. USD Swiss. This has been interesting, and it's been downtrending quite a bit. That is a 20-day moving average. So my current system I've been backtesting, I would have sold that on that, and then stop losses at the 20-day, and then you sort of let it go, and then you close out once it gets below the 1R. So if that's at like 50 pips, it gets to 50 pips, you move the stop loss, and then it'll close out once it crosses back over the 20-day moving average. Look, what else is there? USD CAD. Have I looked at that? Recent strength again. It's just so you can buy into this, but then there's a lot of resistance, and it's just headaches. I like it at peaked at the top, a lot of space to the left, and that's not really the case, honestly. So there's just it's conservative, but the key thing is to protect your equity as well. You want to be thinking about that, especially for a longer term trend trading portfolio. And I see how the pound yen's looking. Yeah, I'll keep it quick to the point. Let's finish on, it's really the euro is still the one to watch, but nothing yet. And the Aussie CAD is actually uptrending the most. I just need a clear entry signal, and I haven't really received that yet, so I'm going to have to pass on it. And that's that really. I mean, it'd have to get back up to these highs. Again, I'll wait to see what New York brings. But that's it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and bye.